Apple is mandating that employees get back to the office. Get your butts back here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you've been on vacation too long. That's what Tim said. He never said that. I said that. I said that Tim said that because I was just joking. Tim said, for all that we've been able to achieve, while many of us have been separated, the truth is that there has been something essential missing from this past year. Each other. That's what's been missing.
Huh.
From the past year. Each other.
Really?
Yeah. Don't you remember when you were, when we were no longer coming in here? What was your life like at that point?
Boring. Pretty much boring. It's because like...
Did you feel like you were missing people?
Yeah. Like when we come to work, it's production. Like we actually do stuff. We talk in person.
Humans.
And we don't do like remote stuff. Not really.
I mean, there's things that we do that are part of the job that we do remotely.
Sure, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Actually, quite a bit.
Yeah.
But not the core aspect of it.
Yeah, actually like making videos.
Core aspect of it.
So yeah, that I missed quite a lot.
Well, I know you were missing the work, but I'm saying, were you missing people?
Of course.
Did you get to a moment where you're like,
Yeah.
couldn't
even see family.
Where's people?
Yeah.
You got to a point like that, right? Well, that's exactly what he's trying to say here. We're missing the essential thing, which is each other. Now, obviously, things have loosened up a lot in, well, the U.S. and Canada very recently. Other places are, every country's in a different situation, but people are maybe less lonely now. People got vaccinated. They're living life to a certain extent, is what I seem to see. But still, there was this question about, well, what about the future of work? Is there any need to be in the office for a lot of these types of jobs? Is there a way in which people can just be distributed wherever they want? Like we heard news about Shopify over there. And they said, we don't need this office. And there's many others. I can't, it's not coming to mind right now, but there were a number of huge companies employing a lot of people that said, yeah, remote's fine. We'll just do the remote thing.
Yeah, a lot of programmers and developers, mostly them. But I'm sure there's many other professions as well that could be working remotely, like annually, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Video conference calling has narrowed the distance between us, to be sure, but there are things it simply cannot replicate. This is still part of his quote. Can't replicate the closeness, the collaborative environment. Anyway, here's what they're going to do. The new schedule will require most employees to work in the office on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at minimum. And some will be asked for 4 or 5 days per week, depending on the job. But there's a new provision that employees have the option to work remotely for 2 weeks out of the year. What do you think about this setup?
I think people will be annoyed at first.
Really? They don't want to go back there? Don't Apple employees love that spaceship?
Sure. But maybe they've been so comfortable working from home. Maybe it's just like a period of adjustment for the next couple of weeks.
Yeah. Why do you think Apple is demanding that they come back?
Because Tim Cook said so.
Well, yeah, but what's the incentive for Tim? What does he misses his pals, or do you think productivity goes down when people are not physically there, or the job is less fun, or like which element?
I think you're right, like all of the above, but probably productivity
takes a hit eventually,
and mental health, I guess, for him to kind of think like, oh, everyone's just working from home. Maybe we should bring everyone together as sort of like a mental ease.
You know what? Maybe there's a camaraderie issue too, where without anybody getting together, the sense of team and teamwork is tougher.
They have those like town square things, right?
Oh, they do all that.
Town hall?
Well, they do all that.
Yeah, all of those.
If you can do it, they do it.
So Yeah, maybe they're missing that.